In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable web browsing in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the web search toggle and how to turn it on so Claude can pull in fresh information from the internet while you chat. First, sign in to Claude AI using either your web browser or the desktop app. Use whichever version you normally prefer. The interface and steps are essentially the same. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to use, and if you're on the desktop app, it's a good idea to keep it updated so the menus look current and the browsing tools appear as expected. Next, start a new chat or open an existing conversation. Browsing is controlled at the chat level, so you want to be inside a chat window before you look for the setting. This also helps you confirm that the toggle is available for the specific conversation you're working in. Now, look near the message box where you type your prompts. You should see a small sliders icon, or a label, that reads something like Search and Tools. This is the quick access menu for features you can apply to the current chat. It's designed to be close to the input box, so you can enable tools without leaving the conversation. Open that menu, and you'll see an option called Web Search. This is the control that lets Claude browse live sources to find the latest information, check facts, or gather recent updates. It's especially helpful when your question depends on current events or when you need citations from the open web. Toggle Web Search on. Once you do, you'll usually see a visual confirmation that the feature is active for this chat. From here, you can type your prompt as you normally would. When relevant, Claude will perform a search, visit sources, and include references so you can review where the information came from. If your prompt doesn't require browsing, Claude will simply respond without leaving the chat, so you keep the best of both worlds. If you don't see the web search option, it may be due to your plan, regional availability, or workspace settings. Sometimes organizations manage which tools are available to their members. Also, features can roll out gradually, so availability may expand over time. That's it. Sign in, open a chat, find the Search and Tools or sliders icon near the input box, locate Web Search, and toggle it on. With web browsing enabled, your conversations can draw on real-time information while still staying grounded in your chat context.